Hi friends, now we have a branded Dell desktop. In the desktop, I will show you how to remove the hard disk and also panel. First, you simple slide this to remove it. Okay, and then simply need to pull like this. It will come. Before that, you need to do you need to be remove the front panel. Okay, and then simply need to be slide it like. Okay, and then hard disk I will show you. First you remove the cables like this, and then simply need to be slide it to left, then it will open. Okay, good, that's it. Thank you.